Friends, today we are going to discuss how we can use these mint leaves and lemon and make an extract of it, and how it is going to reduce our weight. This juice is really helpful and tasty. Ingredients needed is hot water and honey. Now we need to crush pudina with this. Water has got boiled now. Crushed pudina into the water. For 2 minutes you boil it. Meanwhile, crush the lemon juice into the glass. When it's boiled like this, you can remove it from the pan. Lemon juice in the glass. We can distill it, or else we can take it directly if you want leaves in your juice. It looks very yummy now. Now we add 2 spoons of honey and mix it properly, and this prepares our mint juice. So this is how our mint juice looks, and it's very tasty.